I'll give it a go anyway.
You know my baby is waiting. So big train, won't you carry me back? Yeah, I've been working in that western old way. I'm gonna leave those lonely prairies far behind. Kapuskason's in the rear, and then it's off to Montreal. By tomorrow I'll be in those Maritimes. That big train, keep on rolling. The big train, roll down the track. 'Cause you know my baby is waiting. So big train, won't you carry me back? My baby comes from a railroad town. She's waiting with her arms out, there's no doubt. So won't you keep it wide open till it's time to throttle down. And when you see that junction sign, driver, throw me out. That big train, keep on rolling. Come on, big train, roll down the track. 'Cause you know my baby is waiting. So big train, won't you carry me back? Come on, son. Some folks say that I've been gone too long, but I think that girl has done me wrong. Walked through the door, saw that no dear John. Now when that train moves back, Lord, I'll be gone. That big train, keep on rolling. Big train, roll down.